Hello, it's me, Phyllis. Today, my philosophy is on being outdoors and in nature. Did you know that when you are outside in nature, everything seems to get better for you? Because being outside helps you to fill your lungs with air and helps you to just feel invigorated. So, and then what will happen is the law of attraction will keep making you feel good. That's what we want. We want to set a momentum of good feeling. So by feeling good is by being outside. So get yourselves out there now. This is Phyllis signing off. Bye-bye.